Hello everyone. Are you a beginner who wants to learn digital marketing but feels confused about where to start? If you want to grow a business, build an online career, or understand how marketing works in digital worlds, this audio is for you. My name is Ume Farjana and welcome to Digital Marketing with Ume. On this channel, I share simple, practical digital marketing guidance for beginners and small business owners. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing means promoting products or services using the internet instead of traditional marketing like newspapers, television, or billboards. Digital marketing uses online platforms such as Google, social media, websites, and email. Why digital marketing is important? Today, most people search online before buying anything. If your business is not online, customers can't find you. Digital marketing helps businesses reach the right audience at the right time with the right message. Now let's talk about the main types of digital marketing beginners should know. First, social media marketing. This includes platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Second, search engine optimization, also known as SEO. SEO helps your website appear on Google when people search for products or service. Third, content marketing. Content includes videos, blog posts, and social media posts that educate or help your audience. Fourth, email marketing. Email marketing helps you stay connected with customers and a long-term trust. Finally, paid advertising, such as Google Ads and social media ads. How beginners should start? If you are a beginner, don't try to learn everything at once. Start with one platform, learn the basics, practice regularly, and focus on consistency. Digital marketing success comes from learning and applying step by step. Common beginner mistakes. One common mistake is expecting fast results. Another mistake is copying others without understanding their strategy. Remember, digital marketing is a long-term process. Simple beginner roadmap. First, learn the basics. Second, practice what you learn. Third, analyze your results. And finally, improve continuously. Don't need a big budget to start digital marketing. What you need is consistency, patience, and right guidance. Many successful digital marketing professionals started with zero experience. If you found this audio helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Digital Marketing with Ume. Thank you for listening to the audio. I will see you in the next audio.